Hey guys, can an onion clean a grill grate on a barbecue, or is it all a myth? Today we're going to find out. Now, I've always been an advocate for the wire brush, but a lot of people are against it as wire bristles can fall off and potentially fall into your food and cause injuries. So this method seems to be blowing up all over the internet and has been for years, so I want to give it a go and see if it is as good as a wire brush at getting off all that grease and grime on my grill grate. Now, as always guys, all the accessories I use can be found in the link below. Unfortunately, I don't have any onions on there, but all the wire brushes, thermometers, and all those things I use can be found down there, so feel free to check them out. All right guys, so that barbecue's been heating up for 10 minutes now. So we're gonna try two things on this barbecue. We're gonna use the trusty grill brush on one half of it. We're gonna see how that comes up. Then we're gonna try the onion on the other half of it, and then we'll be able to compare the pair and see what works better to clean this grill. Hey guys, now I just want to bring up quickly that I have created a WeberQ cheat sheet. This is just a 2-page document. It's just got a whole bunch of tips and tricks on this Weber. You can save it on your phone in PDF format, or you can even print it out and stick it up next to your barbecue. Think of it as a really quick reference guide so you don't have to go back and watch all these videos. It only takes a minute or two to read and you'll be able to cook your steaks perfect every time. I've got it in the link below, so click down there and you'll be able to find it. Okay, so I've just got an onion, peeled it and cut it in half. Now there's a few things you can do. You can put a fork through this to hold it, or you can get yourself some trusty grill gloves like these, which are heat proof. Let's see how good this works. It sounds good and it smells good. It's not amazing, is it? See, I'm pushing really hard here as well to try and get this off. Yeah, and that's how it's turned out. Now let's try the grill brush on the other side. Mind you, I'm doing this with one hand. All right, look how that's come up compared to this side. I'll even go over it once more with the onion. Yeah, that's useless. Now guys, look at the difference here. That's massive. The grill brush worked perfectly. This is what I want to bring up. If you do use a grill brush on here, if a bristle were to fall off, you would definitely see it. Look how clean that's come up. If there was a piece of metal sticking out of this, it would be easy to see it. So if you are going to use a grill brush like this, get a good quality one. Make sure you have the barbecue in some good light, so after you scrape it, you can check it for any potential bristles that have fallen off, and then you're good to go. This is the easiest way to clean the grill, so I think this myth is busted. I don't think an onion can clean a barbecue well at all. It didn't even come close to cleaning it as good as that grill brush did. Like I said, guys, if you do want to grab these brushes, I've got them in the link below, so feel free to check them out. If this video helped you out at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave a comment on how you clean your barbecue. Have you ever tried this onion method? Was I doing something wrong? Because I preheated it and that normally helps to loosen everything up. Let me know if you think there's a better way to clean it. Thanks for watching guys, and happy grilling. See you in the next one.